In this video, I will be showing you a long-term USDT earning site where you can earn USDT Tether TRC20 every single day. Okay, so we are going to be using this particular site with the name Tron. Okay, you will get the link to this particular site in this video's description box. Okay, so when you click on the link, it is going to take you to the sign up page where you have to sign up with your email address and also create a password for yourself. Okay, so after signing up, you're going to be given a bonus of $10 which will be sent to your account immediately. Now, to start making money with this site, it is not actually a free site but an investment site, but a real one. Okay, so click on this quantity button. They have the quantity button, the invest, invite, and me. So click on the quantity button and take a look at their plans and see how it works. So here I'm going to be explaining everything step by step. You only understand how this particular site works only if you can watch the video truly till the end. So they have the first one, which is the AJ1 welfare. You can get this AJ1 welfare with a single deposit of 21 USDT, and you're going to make a daily profit of $1.80. That should be 1.8 USDT. You're going to be withdrawing 1.8 USDT every single day for 60 days. Okay, because the contract time is just 60 days, so you can log in every single day and withdraw your $1.80 if you go for this AJ1 welfare. Okay, if you scroll down, they have the AJ2. You can get this AJ2 with 48 USDT, and you're going to make $4.50 every single day for 60 days. Okay, they have the AJ3 investment plan, which you can get with 158 USDT, and you're going to make 18.70 USDT every day for 60 days. Okay, if you scroll down, they have the AJ4. You can get it with 488 USDT, and you're going to be making 30 USDT every day for 60 days. Okay, they have the AJ5, which you can get with 1188 USDT, and you're going to make 66 USDT every day for 60 days also. If you scroll down, they have the AJ6. You can get this one with a deposit of 2,688 USDT, and you're going to make 147 USDT every day for 60 days. If you scroll down also, they have the AJ7, which you can get with 5,788 USDT, and you're going to earn and withdraw 220 USDT every day for 60 days. They have the AJ8 9. You can get this AJ9 with 27,788 USDT, and you're going to make a daily profit of 1,389 USDT every single day for 60 days. Now it is time to invest. Okay, so now for you to invest, before we invest, we are going to have to do some calculation. So since we are getting this AJ1 with a deposit of $20, okay, so now let's go and do some calculation right here now. Okay, so since you are getting the AJ1 with $20, all you have to do here now is to do a calculation. You're going to be getting a daily profit of $1.80. So if you're getting $1.80 every single day for 60 days, that is over $108 in total as well. Both your profit and the capital, everything will be returned in this. And remember, you can be cashing out every single day. Do not forget that part. Okay, so now, so do not forget that you have been given a deposit of $10 already. Okay, so for any other plan you are going in for here now, that means you are going to be taking off that $10 that was given to you as a bonus. I'm going to be leaving the prices in this video's description box. Okay, so this is how you make a deposit. So come over here and click on the home button here now. Once you click on the home button, click on the recharge button over here now. Okay, so when you click on the recharge button, it is going to give you a wallet address. Okay, so copy it out by clicking the copy button and go straight to your wallet and deposit. Okay, so when you are done depositing, come back and click on recharge completed. Okay, after that, once your deposit drops in your account, you click on the quantity button and you can now go ahead and purchase. Okay, so as for me, I have already made a deposit of $2,678. Okay, so now I'll have to just click on the quantify button over here now, I will have to scroll down and I'll be unlocking the AJ6 welfare, and I'm going to be making a daily profit of $147 every day for 60 days. Okay, so I'm just going to click here to unlock, and it says confirm. Just click on the confirm button and it says VIP unlocked. Okay, so now the only thing for you to do, if I should just go back to my account dashboard, you're going to see here that I still have the total assets of $2,688 in my account, and this is the level which I'm using, which is the AJ6. So now, for you to start working and withdrawing your money, you click on the quantify button again, and it is going to take you to this place. Okay, so you click on this button here now, and it says start quantify, and the only thing to do here now is that it is going to start counting this. Okay, so you see it says quantitative benefit is $147, and it says deposit into basic account. Okay, so all you have to do is to click on the X button here now, and you have to do it again so that it is going to send you your complete profit. So click on it again. All right, and it is going to say start quantify again. So after that one is done, your whole money will be sent to your account, which you can now go withdraw. That is all you have to come back here and do every single day. So now click on the X button again now, and everything now is done. I now have about $294 in my account as for me. Okay, so now I'll just have to click on the me button. Now you see here that my new account balance will increase immediately, and I can now go withdraw. Okay, remember, this is the level that I am using currently. I am using the AJ6. Okay, I'm using the AJ6, and I'm getting a task of $147 every single day. So that should be $147 times 2. That is how I was able to get $290 something in my account. Okay, so if you are buying from the AJ4 and above, you are going to be getting 2 tasks and above. Okay, that is just how it works over here. I completed 2 tasks, and that was how I got $294. I'm getting paid $147 per each task I completed, and I completed 2, giving me $294. That is it. Do not forget that. Okay, so now let's go check my new account balance and let's go withdraw. I now have about $204 in my account for withdraw. Okay, so now I'm just going to click on the withdraw button here now. So this is it over here now. This is $294. Okay, so before you withdraw, you have to enter the amount which you want to withdraw, and the minimum withdraw is $1.80. Okay, so before I withdraw, I would have to go and get my wallet address. Okay, so this is Trust Wallet, and I have an available balance of $23 in my account, which I'm just going to click receive, copy it out, then go back, and I'm just going to have to drop the wallet address. Okay, sorry about that. You have to paste your wallet address here. Okay, after that, enter the amount which you want to withdraw. I'm going to be withdrawing $294. After that, confirm. Okay, and here it says withdraw success. If I go back, this is going to be my new balance on the site. So I can be coming back here every single day, and I'm just going to be clicking quantify, and I'm just going to be clicking start quantify. You see here that the timer is already counting down. That shows that you can only come back and do this every 24 hours. Do not forget. Okay, so let's go back to my wallet. I still have $23 in my account, but let's try refreshing my account to see if their payout is automatic. So here we go now. Okay, as you can see, their payment seems not to be automatic, but let me refresh my account some more time. And as you see here now, the payment just dropped. Okay, I just got a notification right now from Trust Wallet. So let me show you. This is the payment over here now in my wallet. So let me just refresh my account so that it is going to add up here. So here it is now. This is the payment of $294 sent to me from the OKExtron site, showing you how legit and trusted this platform could be. So if you are yet to join, you have to do that as soon as possible. Okay guys, this is now my new wallet balance in total. So now let's head on back to the site, and I'm going to show you how their referral system works. Okay, so come down and click on this button with the name invite. Okay, so when you click on invite, they're actually offering you a referral system, giving you a referral bonus of 10% for your level 1 and 5% for level 2. So all you have to do here now is to copy out your ref link, and you can start inviting your friends immediately. And whenever you invite your friends and they join and make a deposit, you're going to get your referral reward. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the prices for these quantity investment cycles in these videos on the description box. Okay, so check it out and join to make money off this particular site. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up and follow me for more videos on how you make money online with cryptocurrency earning and mining sites. Do not forget to invest at your own risk and invest what you can afford to lose. If you want to contact them, click on this logo or click on help, or you click on agent. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up and follow me for more videos on how you make money online with cryptocurrency earning and mining sites. Invest at your own risk and invest what you can afford to lose. As you all know that I am not a financial expert. Thank you.